In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove devices from your Dropbox account. Whether you've recently upgraded your devices or you simply want to ensure your account remains as secure as possible, removing old or unneeded devices is an important task. So, let's walk through this process step by step and ensure everything is clear and straightforward. To kick things off, head over to Dropbox.com and log into your account. This will get you into the main interface where you can manage settings related to your Dropbox usage. Once you're logged in, the next thing you'll want to do is locate your avatar. This could be either a profile picture or your initials, typically found in the bottom left or sometimes the top right corner of the page, depending on your device or screen size. Now click on the avatar and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select Settings. After you've clicked on that, you'll be directed to a new page where there are several tabs available for different types of settings. At the top of this page, locate and click on the Security tab, which is where we'll be spending most of our time today. Within the Security tab, scroll down until you find the Devices section. Here you'll see a comprehensive list of all the devices currently linked to your Dropbox account. This is helpful in identifying old or unrecognized devices that you might want to remove. As you review the list, you'll notice a trash can icon next to each device. This icon is your tool for removing a device from your account. Carefully identify the device you want to remove and click on the corresponding trash can icon. Remember, this is a significant step, so ensure you're choosing the correct device to avoid any unintended unlinking. Once you click the trash can icon, a dialog box will appear. This is Dropbox's way of confirming the action you're about to take. This dialog box will inform you that you are about to unlink the selected device from your account. To confirm your decision, simply click on the Unlink button. This event signifies that the device will no longer have access to your Dropbox account, enhancing your security and offering you peace of mind. And there you have it, a straightforward way to manage the security of your Dropbox account by removing any devices you no longer use or need. Keep in mind that regularly reviewing your linked devices can help maintain the integrity and security of your personal data. Thanks for watching, and keep your accounts safe and secure.